Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team's called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, I'm using my old phone because some error happened. I ran out of space and then I had to clear my cache and it's currently downloading right now. So I'm using my old phone. I was trying to evolve Ponyta and video got cut off and I'm kind of frustrated about that. But we cannot replay that, so it's fine, guys. It's fine. Let's do main story. Chapter 22. Rival Face Off. Round 1. Today, February 25. New update, guys. New update. Poor Rockruff! No!
Give me a break.
All right. That's far enough. I cannot allow that. Stop right there. Why, you? Counting on you. I have a request.
Nice. They just appeared.
Hey, thanks!
I see no problem. You there.
Yeah?
Thanks.
What's this? You rock my mighty heart. What's this? Hey.
Please?
Yes?
All right.
Team up with me. Like, what the heck? Why would they agree? It's weird.
Pardon? You there. Ah, I see.
All right. All right.
Very well.
Yes! Battle, guys!
You ready
It's
for this?
so long. I won't lose, Paolo.
I won't go easy
Champion time. Oh, really? Can you beat me, Paolo? Let's do this. Challenge Paolo and Wickstrom and Wolfric. I am using ground fire team. Let's see. Ground fire. Ground means this guy. Or this gal. Where the heck are they? Cannot find. Cannot find. Cannot find. Where are you? There you are. Ground type.
I'd love to join you.
Actually, I can just use them as our teammates. Let's begin, guys.
I've got this. I hope.
You hope. Goodbye, Paolo.
Here we go.
So cute! This match is too fun. All the presents, X speed all.
How's my chance?
Extreme speed up, come on. Speed up.
I've got this.
I should probably attack now. Let me attack. X attack all.
Here's my chance.
End this together. Maximize our attack as high as we could. Maximize our speed. And kill the opponents.
I got this.
Target on your size.
This is it.
How dare you flinch? My attack is max already, I believe. But it's fine.
I got this.
Sing move.
Leave it to me.
Let's just use drill peck and a normal attack.
I hope you're ready. Here we go.
Boom. So dead. Earthquake time.
You can do it.
Potion will be useless. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. There you go. Defeated.
What an enthralling battle.
Ah, too bad I crushed your dreams, Paolo. Too bad. I am so sorry. Rival face-off round 2. Round 2. Really?
You're kidding me.
Will Rockruff evolve? Come on. Do it. Do it. Evolve, Rockruff. Paolo?
Hey,
It would be nice if Paolo's Rockruff evolved.
may I have a moment? My most heartfelt congratulations.
You've got this.
Ah. No, we won't. Impossible that we'd lose.
Right.
We've got to do our best for his sake, too.
Take care of yourself now.
So serious. Oh my gosh, so angsty. No, you're not planning to do something bad. Oh my gosh, so story. Don't tell me Paolo's going to be a bad guy. Oh my goodness, that is the maiden from a land with history, and challenge Paolo and Wickstrom and Wulfric. But I think we are done with this part. I will do a separate video on that. In the meantime, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in the next video. Rawr.